Hi my loves, welcome back. I'm going to be doing an old-fashioned haul today. I asked if you wanted to see it on Instagram and asked if you wanted to see it in YouTube or real form, and YouTube was the consensus. Sorry if you wanted to see it in real form. The point being, I finally bought a lot of, it's mostly bottom half stuff that actually fits me. As I've said a million times recently, none of my pre-baby clothes really fit me, and particularly on the bottom half. And it's not just like about how it looks, it's like about genuinely being comfortable. Like, I'm just uncomfortable in so many of my old clothes. Maybe they'll fit me one day in the future, maybe they won't. I might try the showering in the jeans trick. I've waited as long as I could, but it just got to the point where I was like, I need some non-elasticated waist items that, you know, I can wear in lots of different scenarios that actually just fit my body. And since trying them all on and wearing them, I feel like a new woman. I really, really do. I know I don't have to do a disclaimer for you guys because, you know, whatever will be will be. People will take what they will from my videos, but I will say, because it's something that I think about when I'm shopping now, is that I would not usually buy in bulk like this these days at all anymore, and I hope not to do it, you know, for many years. Hopefully these pieces that I've bought are gonna really last me for a long time. In an ideal world as well, I would have bought everything kind of secondhand or shopped a bit slower for it, but it got to a bit of a kind of breaking point with me. Not that that's really an excuse, but it got to a bit of a breaking point where I was like, I just need some stuff that fits. And, you know, with secondhand stuff, the fit, that's where it's a bit tricky. So, yes, this is what I bought. I'm hoping for you guys, you don't need to bulk buy like this, unless you have changed sizes significantly, and it does happen in life. But maybe just if you spot something that you need to kind of fill a gap in your wardrobe. So, yeah, if you need a pair of black chinos, maybe these ones will work for you. You know, it's really good to be thinking actively about your wardrobe and buying things that you really think you're going to wear for a long time. I probably do need to do something similar for top half stuff. I feel like I need some new t-shirts that kind of work a little bit better with my like new shoulders and like body. That's something I will do at a different time. T-shirts are hard. T-shirts are really hard. So yes, also I got a big discount on Levi's because they were doing 30% off for Levi's members. So if you're wondering like, wow, that's a lot of jeans, I did get quite a significant discount on them, and I think I got money off basically every order I did with a little bit of code hopping, help from Karma. I was ruthless as well when stuff came through the door. I've returned a lot of stuff. Just if it didn't fit me or I knew I wouldn't feel comfortable in it, it went straight back. Also, just lots of things look really beautiful on much taller women than me. You know, I'm 5'4", I think. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm like average size, but I feel like a lot of clothes are made for women a lot taller than me. I would describe myself as like curvy-ish. Like, I'm slim, but I definitely have shape, especially post-baby. I would say I have a short torso and longer legs. That's like my proportion. So yeah, lots of things came through the door that just do not fit my body. If you're similar, if that sounds like you as well, hopefully this will be even more helpful. But anyway, let's get into the video. I'm probably going to wear my Birkenstocks throughout this haul, so if that bothers you and you hate Birkenstocks, I'm sorry. So denim shorts were high on my list because we're coming into summer. It's basically all I wear. I just don't really love dresses or skirts. I don't feel comfortable in them. I think it's because I'm a really big croucher. Like I'm running after the baby, I'm moving around a lot, and like I say, I crouch a lot, and I just feel like I don't want everyone to see my knickers. I just have never really felt super comfortable in dresses. I will wear them on occasion, but for me, my summer basics are shorts, denim shorts specifically. A couple nice ones that I got from Cruz last year, which I wear a lot too, which aren't denim. But yes, I was missing denim shorts, and I did actually buy just a classic pair of Levi's cut-offs just before I went to Jamaica in my new size. But I found these ones. These are so nice. They are called, I think Levi's call them trouser shorts. They're a really nice shape. And they're a really nice colour. They're kind of like a bright blue denim, but they're very soft. They're not rigid at all. So these ones are not going to suck you in as much as some of the other denim shorts because they're quite a thin material, but I just really liked the material. I thought it's quite unusual for a pair of denim shorts, sort of like, they look 50s style to me, and so they've got a little something different to them, and yeah, I really liked them and make for like an interesting take on a denim short because as I said, that's all I wear. So next up, obviously, like I said, I'm not super comfortable in dresses and skirts, but I do like, along with shorts, jumpsuits or play suits, that kind of thing. But not a lot of them are very breastfeeding friendly. So I think I probably need some like short overalls. And if I wear these a lot this summer, then I think I'll get a long pair again. I do have a couple in my wardrobe. One just about fits, the other one definitely doesn't fit. So I think I'll consider getting a long pair for like winter, autumn, winter. I've got my eye on the Reformation ones, but I'm wondering if I can get them on Vestiaire or something. But anyway, I got this pair of Levi shortalls, as they're called. I think these are really nice shape. They sort of slightly come in at the waist, but just a nice alternative again to denim shorts because, like I said, I'm just trying to think of ways to spice up denim shorts, otherwise I'm just going to be wearing the same thing literally over and over again. So I made an order on Dickies and I got a few pairs of trousers that you'll see. This is the kind of cargo pants style, so they're a little bit wider through the leg, and they've got pockets and that kind of thing, and they're just so nice. They're really nice and flattering. They've got a thick waistband, which really helps if you like high-waisted things, you like kind of cinching in at the waist. Thick waistbands are really flattering. I just love the shape of these. They're just like wide-legged without being too wide and too kind of dramatic. They're just like a subtle cargo pant style, and I just think they're so nice. So just so you can see these instantly next to the other pair of trousers, these are, I think, Dickies kind of a classic trouser shape. I've popped on a slightly tighter t-shirt. I actually think I need more tighter t-shirts in general because I think it works a little bit better with my current body type. But anyway, so you can see these are slimmer through the leg, they're more kind of chino style. There's no big pockets, but they're really nice. They're a lovely shape. I wore these yesterday. I have been debating whether I want to get them taken up a little bit, so you've got a little tiny bit more ankle on show, but I do also like the length they're at the minute, so I need to think about that some more. Really nice, really comfortable. Again, they've got that really thick waistband, which is going to be really flattering. So, final Dickies piece I'm going to show you. I also got the trousers, the same ones as the last ones, in the kind of camel colour. I don't have any trousers like this, but I feel like I wear a lot of browns these days, a lot of neutral tones. It was really missing in my wardrobe, plus I really like the shape of these, as I said. You can actually see that thick waistband doing its job a little better on these, I think, because of the light colour. They're just a really lovely shape. Again, do I want to take them up a little bit? We will see. Did also buy a t-shirt from Dickies actually, but currently waiting to be ironed downstairs in the wash, so I'll just pop a picture of me wearing it here. Next up we have another pair of trousers, but these ones are much more flowy. Definitely shouldn't be worn with brown Birkenstocks like I'm currently wearing them. They feel, even though the other ones are kind of smart, the Dickies ones, these definitely feel more like suit trousers, but also nice for every day. So these are from Djerf Avenue. If you don't know, Matilda Djerf is a influencer. She started her own clothing brand. I have a few pieces from her, so I have these exact trousers. I think these are the favourite pants, they're called, in grey, but in the size smaller. So I've got those in an extra small. I can and do wear them, but they do get uncomfortable sometimes, so I thought I would just go with a small this time and make sure they were kind of always comfortable. So this is them in a small. They're super high-waisted, as you can see. Yeah, I really love my grey ones. I do wear them a lot, so I thought I would get the black pair as well. This is the pants, and these are all my birthday presents because Zach and I have reached that stage where we go out and pick our own birthday presents. So I also got the grey blazer, so obviously I would be able to wear the grey trousers and the grey blazer together to make a little suit, but I think they look nice, like it looks nice like this too with the black. It's a gorgeous shape. I saw Megan Ellaby had bought, I already had my eye on it to be fair, but I saw Megan Ellaby bought it the other day and has been wearing it with everything and it's just such a perfect blazer shape. It's oversized without being too big. I know that petite people have sung the praises of this blazer as well because it isn't too oversized, but it still gives that oversized look. Can't remember what size I bought this blazer in, but I will write it. I think I got an extra small. I definitely did not need a blazer. Okay, now I'm switching up the t-shirt so you don't get bored, but this is not a new t-shirt. This is a very old beloved t-shirt from Topshop many years ago. They're called the Nibbled Tees and I just love them. My white one is like my most beloved white t-shirt. But anyway, this is the high-waisted mom shorts from Levi's. So a little bit of a different shape. They're a tiny bit shorter than the last ones I showed you. They're a slightly thicker denim. They're not super uncomfortable or restrictive or anything, but definitely just a thicker material. And yeah, they're a really nice shape, and having black shorts in your arsenal is very good. So yes, I like having a pair of black shorts just so you can have like an all black summer outfit. These would also look nice belted, I think, just because of the shape, just to pull them in a touch more just at the waistband, and I think they would look really nice. But they are just a good staple, again, summer staple for me. So next up we've got a pair of ribcage straight ankle jeans from Levi's. Now this is a cut I was already familiar with. I have some in my old size. They definitely don't fit because anyone that's ever put on a pair of these jeans knows that they come up super high because they're like buttoned all the way up. More of an intense type of jean, but they are such a nice shape. I got these black ones, but they do these in absolutely loads of colours, styles. They do some with rips. But yeah, I really like these. Again, I'm thinking of taking them up a tiny bit. I did get the shortest leg, but they're still, you know, long enough to touch my ankles. But yes, I really love this cut in general. These feel slightly different. I think it's because they're black. The blue ones are a little bit more rigid than this, and these feel a little bit more relaxed. Next up, we've got these barrel jeans from Levi's. I have had my eye on basically this pair of jeans for, I want to say, years. Yeah, they're barrel leg, they're pretty short, so if you want to wear them with longer boots, you can. I wore these with my Martin Jadens the other day and it looks so nice because they're just nice and short. And I love the barrel leg. I find it a really like fun jean style, and also the wash on these is nice. Obviously they kind of have this lighter wash on the thigh down to the knee, which is really nice. I'm going to be wearing these a lot for many years, and a nice summer jean too in this wash and at this length. Okay my love, so second to last pair of trousers. I've got these like fun limey yellowy check ones from Levi's. They are not denim. There's something else, well, something close to denim but not quite denim. They're just really fun. I thought they'd make a nice spring summer piece. It's nice to have things that aren't just plain, and you know, when your wardrobe is basically just jeans and a t-shirt, it's nice to spice it up sometimes. And they're really comfy. I wore these the other day. I really like them, but Zach did call me a summer chef. They're like summer chef trousers, and I was like, oh. But I guess what's wrong with being a summer chef? Okay, last pair of jeans, and they're a good one. I think these are some of my favourites. These are the Levi's 90s jeans. Just a really relaxed shape, a little lower waisted, a little bit wider through the leg, and just really nice relaxed 90s style. I just ended up getting these one size bigger than basically all the other pairs of jeans because I was debating between two sizes. And I accidentally left this one in the bigger size, and I'm quite pleased I did. A little bit looser on the waist, a little bit baggier, and I think it actually suits this style really nicely. Yeah, these are so nice, such a nice everyday jean. A slightly darker blue wash. I have a lot of the lighter blue wash, but nothing sort of in this darker colour. Look at this gorgeous shirt. This is from COS. Really beautiful bright blue colour, unlike anything that I already have. I live in shirts, particularly in summer, but all year round, because I like them as an extra layer. You never quite know what's going on in the UK in summer, and you never know when you're going to want to just have your arms covered, but you don't want to be too hot, so I always wear shirts, and I like them for holidays, beach cover-ups. There's kind of like a chic, relaxed beach cover-up, or like in the evenings. Yeah, I thought this one was particularly nice just because of the really bright blue cobalt colour. It's just a lovely piece and I will definitely get a lot of wear out of this one. This is less seasonally appropriate, but like I said, these are my birthday presents and I've been thinking about a trench coat for a long time, and I saw this beautiful one on Jigsaw, which is not a place I shop very often, and it's really beautiful. It's kind of like one of those waterfall style trench coats. It's very long, which I like. Obviously it is a little lighter than some other big coats, so it's not so out of the question that I might have to wear it on one of these bizarre British spring summer days, but yeah, it's just really nice. It's got that kind of, I don't know all the trench coat terms, but it's got that kind of second layer which gives you that Arthur Conan Doyle vibe. It just falls really nicely and I like it a lot. It's also that colour that I particularly like, which is almost greenish, like moving into green. I just think it's a lovely colour, this one. So last item, and this is a dress. I mentioned in my recent vlog that I really needed a new t-shirt dress, because when it comes to dresses, if I'm going to wear one, it's got to look like a t-shirt. I kid, but also it's true. This one is not breastfeeding appropriate either, but it does have pockets. I love this. It's from Cruz. It's a lovely shape. You can see it comes in a little bit. It actually comes with a belt, that's why, but I think I prefer it without a belt. I'm not sure about it with the belt, but without the belt I think it's a lovely shape because it does come in, so it kind of is flattering and it's also not too short like my other one, so it's really nice, and it's got pockets, so I mean, what more could you ask for? That's it for my haul, my loves. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was useful. If you are on the lookout for something, some hole in your wardrobe, I'm gonna head off. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.